class and another one is create class. Create class or the join class and then go for the create class. So there you will get a certain instruction. Click there. Then the continue button. So then type the name here. So I'm creating a class for ELTA webinar. This is that I'm creating. If you have a section, you can use it. Subject, I am going to use it as an English teaching better, not exactly English. Okay. Now just click on the button create. Now this is our class now. So what are the options that you will find in the Google Classroom? This is the theme you can change. So do you find this small code here, class code? So I will just enlarge. So use this code. Those who have already installed the Google Classroom in your mobile, use this code and join the class. So stay in the webinar, change your tab, open your Google Classroom if you have already installed in your mobile or the laptop. Otherwise, go to browser and type the Google Classroom. So you like that plus symbol, click that. You will get the two options, create class and the join class. Use the join class and type this code.
Just I'm copy paste this one in the chat box so that you can use it even later. Okay. Lakshman, I am sending this one to you because to everyone. Okay, use this one to join the classroom. Now I am going back again. So here, what are the different options available in this Google Classroom? So this we call it as a streaming. Stream, classwork, people, and the marks. So the marks is for assignment. So the stream means whatever the discussions, postings, or questioning, assignment, everything will be applied, visible here. We are in the streaming now. Here, this is the streaming. I can type here. Hi. Everyone, like this. So post this. So this will appear on the first page of the streaming. So if the student send the response, that is also appear here. So this is very important. Second tab, classwork. So then your window will be like this. So here is an option, create. So first we create some topics now. So what is our first topic is reading. Okay. So this is my first topic for the class. So what generally we will post here in this topic, no? Any material that the students want to read, maybe a video or maybe a PDF or a textbook like that. So second topic is not the material. It's a reflection. This is the second topic that I have created.
Google Room ఎట్లా క్రియేట్ చేయాలి?
Create something. So they are in different order. First, I want the students to read. Then they have to reflect. This is second. Then they have to create something new. So then reading this one. Okay. So now creating material now. So generally what kind of material we can create? So it's a video I can share. What is video? Video on Google Classrooms. So where can I find then? This is the link for you. Suppose you go to YouTube and find how to create a YouTube link and paste that one here so that the video will appear here. So this is how the reading material. Suppose you have any PDF files or the e-textbooks with you and get those links and upload it here. Otherwise, go to your Google Drive. So you will get a files from the Google Drive and select from that and you can paste it. So this is how we can create the material in the Google Classroom. Then go for posting. So this you can edit again. Because here I haven't selected the topic because this video must be under the reading section. So select reading. So assignment is for all the students, those who already changed all. And next save button. So now it is under reading topic. So the video on Google Classroom is appearing now. Next, go for the reflection. Now we have to add the content to the reflection. So generally what we will add here, questions. So the students need to reflect. What do you learn from this video? Okay, they will answer this question. So again, you have to select the topic. If there is you want to add a score for that, you can include points also. And what is the topic here? It is under reflections. Okay. Then click on asking, then go for saving. So look at it. It is under the reflection. So after watching this video, they will go to second topic reflection. They will open this. Okay. Let's go to third topic. So generally in the third topic, we prefer assignments. So what they have to do now? Go on Classroom. Share the link or pick. Okay, this is the assignment. Again, topic we have to select. So if you want to set the due date also, you can set that. What is the date? Okay, tomorrow is the last date for the submission. Time, it is 12. Okay, what is the topic? It is under create option. If you want, you can create the rubric also, but this we will take up in a separate class. This is not possible to cover all these things within one for 30 minutes class. Okay, then assign. So now our class will be like this. So what are the three topics that we have taken? First one is the reading, second one is the reflection, and the third one is the create. So what is the given reading material? Is the video on Google Classroom. They will watch it. Then there are some questions on the reflection part. So they will watch and they will reflect on that. And the last part of ours is that they create something. So then after that, they will go to Google Classroom. They will create their own class and take pictures and they will share the link like that. So this is how the Google Classroom will works. So this first one is for the streaming. Second tab is for the tab for the classwork. And the third one is for the people. So here, so already it's a good number. How many of them already joined? Look at here. So these are the teachers. They have just joined. Diet Nalgonda, Kalyani, Mamata, Sampath, okay, Surendra Mohan and others. So now these are all the students in that. You can check them. So marks. So when do they will get the marks? When they complete that assignment. What is that? Reflection assignment and creating that, then that will appear like here, so that I can check their assignments and they can give the marks. So they will get the score. So this is how the Google Classroom works. So this one is only for teacher. So these are the classroom settings. So what are general settings? Suppose if you are not comfortable with this code, you can change it. Yeah, if it is ambiguity in the words, some words are difficult, then you can change that. So students can post and the comment. This you can change. Students only can comment. Only teachers can post like this. This is on the streaming one. Okay. These settings you can change. And the classwork on the stream. Students condense, hide notification, and like this. And next part of this is the marking. So here we haven't selected anything. Weightage or the total. These are two ways you can mark them, or you can grade your students. So total points or otherwise weightage. You can select any one of them. So here you can add categories also. So what are the categories we need to add here again? First one is the reading, and second one is reflect. These are general categories generally. Create something like that. Okay. Why it is not working? Maybe it is taking time to save the settings. Then you save that one, because here this tab is not working. I don't know, because network connectivity is issue. Okay. So these are the three things. Next, you come back to your streaming. So the first part of your tab. So everything will be appear here. So whatever even the students made a comment. Hi, Salim has already made a comment. You can appear. These are the my assignments and the my classworks that I posted. So everything, Praveen already posted a comment that good morning. So like this, you can use your Google Classroom. And here you can change the theme also. Suppose you don't like the theme that is appearing there in that, you can select different ones like this one, like that. Your classroom themes will be changed. So let us use this. Okay. So it will change. It will become a new theme again. Otherwise, you can select your photo also. You want anything, you can select from computer and you can edit anything. So this is also okay. I'm not doing that now. And these are the different settings. So these are different calendars, different classes that I have. Suppose if you run the class and you don't want to use that, you can remove that. It will move into an achieved classes. So this is the class that I created in the year 2017 and 18. Okay, this is the stream and the classwork that I have given to my students. So these are the different assignments I have given. And these are the students, my students who joined in that, like this. Now their scores are like this. So the scoring window is like this. Am I audible to everyone? It's okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, Vinay, sorry for the interruption. Just
Yeah.
I have extended the meeting for 10 more minutes. So we have
Okay.
only 10 minutes left so far.
Okay. I will conclude now. So
Yeah,
now this is the score
just
that will like completed this. Student will did the assignment. You can view their submissions. Here my student already submitted. So that will open up in video. I asked the student in newspaper Hindu. After doing that, they made these reflections and she said interact the feedback to her like that. So
This is the comment that we exchanged. The interesting news, the Hindu newspaper, like that she has written. And this is my comment. It's a good work. Hi sir, can I take the pic and upload this like that? So the assignment they can post it online and you will receive like. So now I will stop sharing and I came back to this. Now it's time to ask questions. So if you want to ask any question, just raise your hand. Otherwise, type the questions there in the chat box. That they ask. So Lakshman, you can lead that now.
Vinay sir. Okay, Vinay.
Yeah.
Vinay,
Sambar.
Vinay.
Could you please repeat total process?
Vinay.
We don't have that
repeat
much
the process.
because it's only 40 minutes meeting, no?
Vinay sir.
Who want
Hello.
me?
Vinay sir,
Hello.
could you please
Hello, Vinay.
repeat the process?
Ramon
So
sir.
it takes.
Sir.
Sir.
TV Rao sir. TV Rao sir.
May I interrupt? One thing, it is not possible to repeat everything again. We are
Not
going
everything,
to
sir.
upload.
Just steps.
Let
What
me
are
tell
the
you,
steps? How to?
Let me tell you.
Okay.
We will upload this video in YouTube and we'll send the
Okay, right.
link. One more
Okay.
thing,
You can
we are
do it
going
like
to send the steps,
Okay. Right.
a list of steps again in our group, so that you
Okay.
can
Got it. Thank you.
follow it.
Okay.
Because
Thank you, sir.
when we tell something on the board, we can't.
Yeah.
Sometimes
Okay,
we may not remember when we are applying. So that we
Yeah.
are going to post all the steps again in our WhatsApp group. Okay?
Yeah. Nice.
Do not
Thank
worry
you.
about it.
Okay. Thank you.
If you have any queries, you can ask.
1 minute, TV Rao sir. So,
Sir, go ahead.
hello friends, please now you are free to open your video mode. Now you are okay. Start your video so that I will take the screenshot. Then we can switch it off. First, I request all the participants start video button so that we can see each other, and I'll take the screenshot. Please. Only 1 minute, please.
Lakshman.
Hello, Vinay.
Only 1 second. Right.
Hello. Hello. Can I ask one query, sir?
Right. Okay, go ahead.
Gordon sir, ask.
Sir, this is Gordon. Can I ask one query, sir?
Hello.
Yes, you can.
Sir, how far this is useful for primary sections?
Yes.
Hello, Vinay.
I don't know. But if it is a limited strength,
Hello,
Hello.
Vinay.
yeah.
Hello, Bhaiya.
Hello.
Yes.
Vinay, can you listen to me?
Sir,
Shall I speak?
this is not you use it.
Ekalla.
Govardhan sir,
No.
we are preparing the teachers for
Teacher.
21st century
Teacher.
skills, and in future we may have a new classroom, and our students may acquire some tech tools, gadgets. There we can use it. So we are preparing you in advance. In further sessions, we are going to invite 2 more experts from Andhra, they are going to take class on TLM for the, which can be used for primary sections in particular.
Vinay, can I ask you a
Okay.
question? Vinay.
Okay, thank you, Bhaiya.
So
Lakshman, can
Vinay,
I ask a question?
yes, Sumo, ask him.
Yeah, Vinay.
Uh,
Hello, Vinay.
okay.
Is it a free or any paid? Paid.
Vinay, sorry, we are unable to
Hello?
listen. We are unable to listen to your voice, Vinay.
Yes.
So please, I request all the participants to stop videos. I have taken the screenshots.
Hi, Lakshman sir.
Right.
minutes left. 4 minutes left. Quick.
It's
Ah.
it's completely free, sir.
Free.
Free.
Free one. Free option. Free
Okay,
option.
okay, yeah.
Completely free.
Once
So
when I tried
learning
with
never
this, they asked for
wasted.
100 rupees
Don't worry about
paid.
that, whether I can use it. My students don't have a smartphone and they don't have internet connection. So these things all, I know it. Even I know that, but I tried in the 2017. It did not work there in our school, but it worked and now I am able to teach you. So the learning never wasted. Someday you will do the same thing. Okay? Start learning. Any questions?
Okay, it's okay.
Thank you one and all for taking part in this. Hello.
Sir,
Thank you
sir.
one and all for taking part in this.
Yeah.
Hello, can I speak,
We'll
sir?
be intimating the
Raju,
further
sir.
sessions in the next.
Yeah, please.
Okay.
Hello.
Hello.
Hello, sir. Sir, Raju, sir.
Yeah.
So is it possible for primary school students through Google Classroom? Because I have a
That
big
depends.
doubt
That
about
depends
that.
upon your. That depends upon your patience, your students' interest,
yes.
your ability to learn. You can try an experiment, not a continuous year-long process. It takes only 1
Yeah.
minute, 1 month. No, try
Yeah.
something new. That's all.
Okay.
Don't
For-
expect
for-
too much from them, and don't expect too much from the technology.
Yes, for login, how they log in, the
that's-
Google Classroom, and how they post their reflections, how they interact with their teacher. So it is very easy to interact the students in the classroom, but it is not
Yes.
possible for them to interact through Google Classroom in primary sections. I think that
Don't
is
do
more
that, sir. If
useful
it is
for
not
high school
possible, don't do
teachers.
that. Don't do that, sir. We are not forcing everyone to do this, no?
Hello?
If you are interested, you want to try something new in your classroom, do this. Otherwise,
Hello?
leave it.
Hello, sorry for
It
interruption.
is not government instruction, no?
Sorry.
It's your own interest. If you are not
Vinay.
interested, don't do that. That's it.
Vinay, sorry for interrupting you. Just in 3
yeah.
minutes, going to
1 minute. Only
stop
1
the
minute.
video.
Only 1 minute left.
Yeah,
1 minute.
only 3 minutes. It is seen in 3 minutes. Okay. Does any participant want to? If participants want to ask you more questions, we want to send another link for next meeting. So we can share the link in the group and you can rejoin by using the group. But I think
No, Lakshman. Use WhatsApp group for asking questions. No more meeting again.
Okay, then
Right.
right, that's a good
Use
idea.
WhatsApp group.
So in the group, if you have any queries regarding the session, you post your questions in the WhatsApp group so that our speaker will answer. Okay. Anyhow, thank you.
Thank you everyone. Bye.
Thank you
Thank
for
you for
your
joining us.
Right.
Okay, thank you, Bhaiya.
Thank you, sir. Thank you,
Thank you,
Vinay
brothers.
sir, and-
Thank you, sirs.
Right.
Thank you, bros. Bye.
Okay. Thank you all. So
Thank you
still
one and all.
2 minutes time. Can anybody speak? So until the stop.
Will you give permission for me to speak?
Yes, you can.